guys, this is Yang and today I'm at National Park. We're picking mushrooms and berries. This is so shiny. Look how much I picked. A lot, right? Actually no, this is the guide's bucket. Bucket? Cup. This is mine.
Unlike the commercial blueberry, which is white inside, this has more antioxidants. So it is red in color, takes a lot of sunlight.
The air is so nice here. This spot has been amazing and I'm actually right now on a sort of day tour at Nuxio, berry picking and mushroom picking tour with Phil the Nature, and the guide, I think his name's Taro, he was kind enough to actually give me this spot, give me a little bit of free time, and this national park is just amazing, not many people, and the signal has been so strong, super strong. But of course I only have like 20 minutes to get some shots. But now it's time for me to have more berries and also mushroom soup, I think, or mushroom tea. Actually, sizzling mushroom and coffee.